Good morning, children. In last classes, we have learned about length, its units, addition and multiplication, division and subtraction of length. Yes, today we'll learn about weight and its standard units. Okay, we'll learn standard units of weight, addition, subtraction of weight and multiplication and division of weight. Okay, children, in the last class, we have learned that weight is measured in gram and kilograms. Okay, the standard units of weight are gram and kilogram. Okay, 1 kilogram is equal to, that is, kilogram is written in short as kg. Yes, and gram is written as small g. Okay, 1 kilogram, that is 1 kg, is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So kg is bigger. Okay, kg is 1000 times bigger than gram. Okay, this we have to remember. Now study these examples. Weight means, children, mass of any object. Okay, mass of the any object. To weigh things, we use simple balance, electronic balance, and we use grams and kilograms weighing stones. Okay, and we weigh heavy objects in terms of kilogram and light objects in terms of grams. Yes, because grams is smaller than kilograms. We weigh heavy objects in kilograms and lighter objects like we buy vegetables, fruits and grocery in kilograms and grams also. Okay, and we weigh our body weight in kilogram. Yes, we measure the weight of heavy objects or our own weight in kilograms. Okay, all food packets available in the market carry the weight of the content in grams or kilograms. The food items we weigh in grams also and kilograms also. Okay, we use simple balance or an electronic balance to measure the weight. This is simple balance and this is electronic balance, and these are weighing balance of kg and grams. Okay, see here, this is 100 gram, this is 1 kg, means 1000 gram. Okay, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, this is 100 gram, this is 200 gram, this is 50 gram, and this is 500 gram. Okay, these are weighing stones. Okay, and these are used to weigh the objects. Okay, now how to measure the weight? We keep the objects in one pan and the standard weights in the other pan. To weigh the objects in the simple balance, what we do? We keep the things in one pan and the weighing stones in the other pan. Okay, and to weigh the objects in the electronic balance, it is very easy. If you keep the objects here, it will show immediately the weight of the object. Okay, now here in the page number 128, they have given one exercise. Read the weight of the goods, write the answer. They have given the goods here and their weight in weighing stone. Okay, we have to observe the weight and we have to write here. Okay, these are potatoes and potato weighs 5 kg here. You can see here they have written in this stone, on the stone, 5 kg. So the potatoes weigh 5 kg. Okay, then see next, this is tomatoes. The weight of tomato they have given here. They have kept 1 kg stone there. Yes, so write here the tomatoes weighs 1 kg. Okay, then C1, these are apples and this is 2 kg stone. Okay, this is 2 kg stone. So weighing stone. So the weight of these apples are, the apple weighs 2 kg. They have given the things on one pan and on the other pan they have given weighing stones. Okay, we have to look the number whether it is in grams or kg, and we have to write on here. Okay, then the remaining you will write, you will observe and write this, and you will send me. Okay, now see, I will see weight, addition and subtraction. We'll see the addition and subtraction of weight. Children, to add or subtract the weight, what we have to do, we have to arrange the numbers in grams and kilograms first. Then we have to add or subtract the numbers. See, for example, here A1, these two are in kg and this is in gram. How we read this? 9 kg 608 grams, 4 kg 305 grams. Grams should be written in one column, one below the other, and kg should be written in one column. Okay, then we have to add or subtract the numbers. Okay, it is simple addition and subtraction. Okay, how we do regularly. Only we have to remember that we have to write grams in one column and kilograms in one column. Okay, first one they have given example. This is subtraction sum. We have to subtract the numbers. First we'll subtract from grams. Okay, we'll subtract grams first, then kilogram. Okay, 8 minus 5 is 3, 0 minus 0 is 0 only, 6 minus 3 is 3, and when you subtract 4 from 9 you will get 5. So the answer is 5 kg 303 grams. Okay, next see, B1 they have given, they have solved and given. This is addition sum. Kg they have written one below the other and grams in one column. Okay, we have to add the grams first, then kg. 5 plus 5, 10. One carry over here we have to keep. Okay, to the next number, tens place number. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 here and 0 here. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 0 plus 3 is 3 only. Then 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so the answer is 9 kg and 360 grams. We should read like this. Okay, 9 kg 360 gram. Now see, C1 is 43 kg 231 grams, 31 kg and 125 grams. Okay, now children, they have already arranged in columns kg separately and gram separately. And if in exam, if they give like this, 43 kg 231 gram minus 31 kg 125 grams, then we need to arrange these in columns like this. This kg should be written in one column and grams should be written in one column. Okay, now we'll subtract the numbers. They have given a subtraction sign, so we have to subtract the numbers. 1 minus 5 is not possible. We cannot subtract 5 from 1. So what we'll do, we have to cancel these two and borrow here. Borrow 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 and this 1 less is 2. Yes, 11 minus 5 will be 6. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now we have finished with the grams. Then we have to go for kilograms. 3 minus 2 will be 2. Sorry, 3 minus 1 will be 2 and 4 minus 3 will be 1. So the answer is 12 kg 106 grams. Okay. Now D1, 56 kg 731 grams, 26 kg 169 grams. We have to add the weight here. Okay, first we'll start with the grams, then we'll go to kg. Okay, 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 carry over and 0 here. Then 6 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over and 0 here. Then 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 900 gram. Then we'll add kg. 6 plus 6, 12. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So 82 grams, 82 kg and 900 grams. Okay, the remaining two sums you will solve and send. Next we'll move to practice sums. Find the sum or difference. Okay, sum means addition, difference means subtraction. Okay, A1 is 6 kg 105 grams plus 3 kg 812 grams. Okay, add the numbers. We have to add here. Addition sign is given, so we have to add the numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9 kg 917 grams it is. Okay. Next one, B1 is subtraction sum. 9 kg 863 grams. 3 kg 326 grams. We have to subtract the weight here. Okay. Subtract now. 3 minus 6 is not possible. Use borrow method. Cancel these two. Borrow here 10 and make it 13. And this 1 less means 5. Okay. 6 minus 1 will be 5. Now solve the sum. 13 minus 6 will be 7. 13 minus 6 will be 7. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Then if you subtract 3 from 9, you will get 6. Okay. So the answer is 6 kg 537 grams. Okay. Then the remaining sums of practice and quick drill we will solve and send. Okay. Now we'll see about multiplication and division of weight. Okay. They have given two examples here. Multiplication and division one examples. Okay. We'll see the example first. Multiply 6 kg 201 gram by 2. We have to multiply 6 kg and 201 gram by 2. Okay. How to write this then, children? First we have to multiply kg with 2, then gram with 2. Okay. For that what you have to do? You have to keep the numbers in column first, or else you have to solve the multiplication in a rough book and you have to write the answers directly in the book. Okay. So see first step here. Multiply kg first. Kg by 2, then gram by 2. Every time you have to multiply kg first, then gram. Okay. Now multiply kg with 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 kg. And next step 2 is multiply grams. 201 gram by 2. Okay. 201 into 2. Write like this in a rough book. 201 into 2 grams. Solve this and write the answer here. Okay. So here 2 1s are 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 402 grams. Okay. Now answer, how we have to write the product? The product is, we have to write the product in kg first, then into grams. Okay. The product is 12 kg 402 grams. Like this we have to write here. Okay. The product is 12 kg 402 grams. See, they have given, solved one example here. One more example. 6 kg 19 gram multiplied by 6. Okay. First we'll multiply kg with 6 and then gram with 6. Okay. 6 kg into 6 is 6 6 are 36. 36 kg. First we need to multiply with the kg, then with the grams. Then 19 grams into 6. 19 grams into 6. 19 6 are, you have to do it in your rough book and solve. 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 5 11. 114 grams. Okay. So the product is, then afterwards you have to write this product. Okay. answer is written in kg first, then followed by grams. Okay, so the answer is 36 kg. The product is 36 kg 114 grams. Okay, now we'll see examples for division of weight. Okay, see here they have given two examples, this one and this one. Will solve first. Divide 27 kg 306 gram by 3. We have to divide 27 kg and 306 gram. So the first step is we have to divide first kg by 3. Then in the second step we have to divide grams by 3. Okay. See your first step. First we need to divide kg. Yes. 27 kg by 3 we need to divide first. Okay. 3 9s are 27. Subtract, we'll get 0 as remainder. Okay. So the quotient is 9 here. Yes. Quotient is 9. So the quotient means in division it is answer only. Yes. So write here 9 kg. Now we have divided 27 by 3. So we got the answer 9 kg. Now we have to divide gram by 3 in the next step. Yes, 306 divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then next 0 we need to carry here. Then we cannot divide here. So what we have to do? We have to take this 0 up. This is 0 property. This is division across zeros. Yes, we need to write like this. Then 6 we need to take here down. Okay, then 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So the quotient or answer is 102. Now we have divided gram by 3. So write in gram place this answer 102 grams. So the product is, or the quotient is 9 kg 102 grams. Kg answer you need to write first, then in gram answer. C1 23 kg 4 gram multiplied by 4. Okay. So first step is what? We need to multiply this 4 with 23. That is with the kg first, then with the gram. Okay. Write here 23 kg multiplied by 4. Okay. Then 4 gram we have to multiply after. Okay. In the second step, 4 gram multiplied by 4. Kg with 4, then gram with 4. So multiply this. 23 multiplied by 4. 3 4s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 92 kg. 92 kg and 4 4s are 16. 16 grams. Okay. First we need to multiply with the kg, then with the gram. And how to write the product here? Product is equal to, first write down kg. Kg, we have got the kg answer as 92 kg and then grams 16 gram. Okay, 92 kg 16 grams. Now see D1 is division. 84 kg 40 gram divided by 4. So first step is what? We have to divide this kg first by 4. Then in the next step we have to divide gram by 4. Okay. 84 kg divided by 4, then 40 gram divided by 4. Now divide these numbers in a rough book. 84 divided by 4. Okay. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then take this 4 here down. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the answer is 21. Question or answer is 21. 21, it is kg. Okay. We have divided kg. So we'll write here kg. Now we'll divide 4 with the gram. Okay. 40 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 0. This 0 we have to take here down. Then we cannot divide. So 0 1 0 we need to keep here in the question place. So the quotient or answer is 10 gram. Okay. So how we'll write this? Quotient is equal to, first write the kg, 21 kg and 10 grams. Okay. Write like this, 21 kg and 10 grams. Now you will solve the remaining 4 sums. Okay. Next exercise is quick drill. Find the product or quotient, solve in your notebook. These you have to solve in your notebook. So write down the question first. Okay. First question is A1 32 kg 15 gram multiplied by 5. Okay. Write the question first. Write with a pen. Okay. 32 kg 15 gram multiplied by 5. Okay. Solution. What is the first step? We have to multiply 5 with kg first. Then in the second step 5 with 15. Okay. With the gram. Okay. First multiply 32 kg by 5. And in the second step we have to multiply 15 gram by 5. Okay. And we have to write the answer here. Okay. Now first one, 32 kg 5 grams. 32 multiply by 5 we have to do here. So write down here 32, multiply the numbers, 32 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 60. Okay. So the answer is 160 kg. Okay. 160 kg. Now 15 5s are 75. Directly we can multiply here. Yes, 15 5s are 75 and this is in gram. So we'll write here gram. Okay. Now we'll solve B1. B1 is 64 kg 120 gram divided by 8. Write down the question first. 64 kg 120 gram divided by 8. Okay. So first step, write the solution. First step is divide by kg with 8 first. Then in the second step gram with 8. Okay. First step 64 kg divided by 8. Okay. Divide this 64 by 8. Okay. 8 8s are 64. Subtract. You will get 64 minus 64 is 0. Yes. So the answer is, or the quotient is 8 and it is in kg. Okay. 8 kg. This is first step. Then second step is 120 gram divided by 8. Second step 120 gram divided by 8. Do this and write the answer here. 120 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. Now we cannot remove 8 from 2. Use the barometer, make it 12 and this is 0. 1 less is 0, then 12 minus 8 is 4. Yes, and this 0 as it is. Then the next 0 we need to carry here. Keep here down and write here. We need to keep here this 0 take this 0 here down.
So many things
8 5s are 40. Subtract the numbers. 40 minus 40 is 0. So your answer is 15 and it is in grams. Yes. So write here quotient is equal to kg first, 8 kg and 15 gram. Okay, 8 kg 15 gram. Children, in the multiplication, here also we need to write the product. We use product for multiplication and quotient or answer for division. Okay, product first kg 160 kg 75 grams. Okay, we need to write like this. Now the remaining 2 sums you will solve and send me. Okay, only few sums are there. Solve it and send it by tomorrow evening. Okay, thank you.